Question 1. Who were the Tiavanbils in colonial India? Options are A. Zamindars, B. Indigenous forest dwellers, C. British officials, D. Factory workers. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Indigenous forest dwellers. Question 2. What does the term Dicus refer to in the tribal context? Options are A. Tribal warriors, B. Outsiders or exploiters, C. British rulers, D. Local rulers. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Outsiders or exploiters. Question 3. Which tribal leader led the Santhal rebellion in 1855-56? Options are A. Birsa Munda, B. Sidhu and Kanhu, C. Tansha Tope, D. Kunwar Singh. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Sidhu and Kanhu. Question 4. The British introduced the permanent settlement system too. Options are A. Benefit the Tiavanbils, B. Increase agricultural output, C. Generate revenue, D. Reduce land ownership. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Generate revenue. Question 5. Why did Tiavanbils traditionally practice shifting cultivation? Options are A. To maximize revenue, B. Because the soil became infertile, C. As per British instructions, D. For religious reasons. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Because the soil became infertile. Question 6. What was the main occupation of Tiavanbils? Options are A. Hunting and gathering, B. Industrial work, C. Zamindari, D. Trading. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Hunting and gathering. Question 7. Which of these was not a problem faced by Tiavanbils under British rule? Options are A. Forced labor, B. Land alienation, C. Equal treatment, D. Exploitative moneylenders. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Equal treatment. Question 8. What was the significance of the Forest Acts introduced by the British? Options are A. Protected tribal lands, B. Restricted tribal access to forests, C. Allowed Tiavanbils to cultivate freely, D. Encouraged industrialization. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Restricted tribal access to forests. Question 9. What was the common mode of resistance by Tiavanbils? Options are A. Armed rebellion, B. Petitions to the British, C. Elections, D. Peaceful protests. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Armed rebellion. Question 10. Which tribal uprising was led by Birsa Munda? Options are A. Santhal rebellion, B. Munda rebellion, C. Kol rebellion, D. Pahadia revolt. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Munda rebellion. Question 11. The Munda rebellion took place in which region? Options are A. Assam, B. Bihar and Jharkhand, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Bihar and Jharkhand. Question 12. How did moneylenders exploit T11BILS? Options are A. Providing fair wages, B. Charging high-interest loans, C. Educating them, D. Offering free land. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Charging high-interest loans. Question 13. Which British policy impacted tribal lands the most? Options are A. Industrial policy, B. Forest Acts, C. Salt laws, D. Arms Act. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. B. Forest Acts. Question 14. Why were T11BILS forced to work in plantations and mines? Options are A. High wages, B. Land displacement and debts, C. Government subsidies, D. Personal choice. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Land displacement and debts. Question 15. What was Birsa Munda's main vision? Options are A. To overthrow zamindars, B. To restore tribal autonomy and land rights, C. To become a British officer, D. To establish factories. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. To restore tribal autonomy and land rights. Question 16. The Santhals revolted against. Options are A. Zamindars, B. Moneylenders and British officials, C. Local kings, D. Portuguese traders. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Moneylenders and British officials. Question 17. The term Golden Age in the chapter refers to. Options are A. A period of economic prosperity, B. The pre-colonial self-sufficient tribal life, C. The future technological era, D. A British-imposed system. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. The pre-colonial self-sufficient tribal life. Question 18. Why were tribal revolts often violent? Options are A. They had modern weapons, B. It was their only means of defense, C. They had support from the British, D. They were trained warriors. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. It was their only means of defense. Question 19. Who supported TR1BILS in their revolts? Options are A. British officers, B. Local zamindars, C. Other oppressed farmers, D. Industrialists. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Other oppressed farmers. Question 20. What was the result of most tribal revolts? Options are A. Complete victory, B. Brutal suppression by British, C. Formation of independent states, D. British withdrawal. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Brutal suppression by British. Question 21. What was the primary reason for British restrictions on shifting cultivation? Options are A. To protect wildlife, B. To ensure timber availability, C. To support tribal needs, D. To increase land revenue. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. To ensure timber availability. Question 22. The term jhum cultivation refers to. Options are A. Fixed farming, B. Shifting cultivation, C. Plantation agriculture, D. Industrial farming. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Shifting cultivation. Question 23. What did TR1BILS believe about their spiritual leaders? Options are A. They were British spies, B. They could bring prosperity and protect them, C. They were moneylenders, D. They opposed their traditions. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. They could bring prosperity and protect them. Question 24. Why did TR1BILS begin to migrate to cities? Options are A. They wanted modern education, B. British policies displaced them, C. They were forced to become zamindars, D. They enjoyed factory work. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. British policies displaced them. Question 25. What was the key reason for the failure of tribal uprisings? Options are A. Lack of unity and weapons, B. British support, C. Over-reliance on moneylenders, D. Preference for urban life. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Lack of unity and weapons. Question 26. Which material was commonly used by TR1BILS for hunting? Options are A. Iron, B. Wood and stone, C. Plastic, D. Aluminum. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Wood and stone. Question 27. Why did the British recruit TR1BILS into their army? Options are A. They were skilled fighters, B. They were forced into it, C. They wanted to serve the British, D. They had modern education. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. They were skilled fighters. Question 28. What did the British call tribal settlements? Options are A. Unruly zones, B. Criminal villages, C. Independent kingdoms, D. Uninhabitable regions. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Criminal villages. Question 29. Which tax system affected tribal lands the most? Options are A. Mahalwari, B. Permanent settlement, C. Ryotwari, D. None of these. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Mahalwari. Question 30. Which state had significant tribal uprisings? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Odisha, C. Punjab, D. Kerala. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Odisha. Question 31. What did the British use forest timber for? Options are A. Railways and shipbuilding, B. Temple construction, C. Exporting to America, D. Local village use. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Railways and shipbuilding. Question 32. What happened to Tiawan Biles who resisted British rule? Options are A. They were given land, B. They were punished or killed, C. They were promoted in administration, D. They became industrialists. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. They were punished or killed. Question 33. How did the British justify their control over tribal lands? Options are A. To civilize Tiawan Biles, B. To develop agriculture, C. To improve trade, D. To generate employment. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. To civilize Tiawan Biles. Question 34. The Kol Rebellion of 1831-32 was led by which tribal group? Options are A. Santhals, B. Kols, C. Mundas, D. Gonds. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Kols. Question 35. Which occupation was not commonly practiced by Tiawan Biles? Options are A. Shifting cultivation, B. Hunting, C. Large-scale farming, D. Weaving. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Large-scale farming. Question 36. How did Dickus exploit Tiawan Biles? Options are A. By supporting their rights, B. By introducing fair wages, C. By taking over their lands and charging high-interest loans, D. By building schools. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. By taking over their lands and charging high-interest loans. Question 37. What was the major consequence of the British Forest Laws on Tiawan-Bialis? Options are A. Improved livelihoods, B. Loss of traditional land rights, C. Freedom to trade, D. Better education. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Loss of traditional land rights. Question 38. Which was not a reason why Tiawan-Bialis revolted? Options are A. Land encroachment, B. Heavy taxation, C. Equal treatment, D. Forced labor. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Equal treatment. Question 39. Why did many Tiawan-Bialis work in tea plantations? Options are A. They loved tea, B. They were forcibly recruited, C. They were given fair wages, D. They owned the plantations. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. They were forcibly recruited. Question 40. Why did British officials want to settle Tiawan-Bialis permanently? Options are A. To improve their living standards, B. To control revenue collection, C. To make them rulers, D. To support their traditions. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. To control revenue collection. Question 41. What role did religion play in tribal uprisings? Options are A. Tiawan-Bialis believed in divine justice, B. British encouraged tribal customs, C. Religion was not important, D. Tiawan-Bialis had no religious beliefs. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Tiawan-Bialis believed in divine justice. Question 42. What did the British introduce to regulate forest resources? Options are A. Land Distribution Act, B. Forest Laws, C. Permanent Settlement, D. Factory Act. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Forest Laws. Question 43. Which of the following did Tiawan-Bialis trade? Options are A. Forest produce, B. Manufactured goods, C. Gold, D. Cars. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Forest produce. Question 44. The Bastar Rebellion of 1910 was against. Options are A. Local kings, B. British forest policies, C. Tea plantation owners, D. Tribal leaders. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. British forest policies. Question 45. What was the main reason for the failure of tribal revolts? Options are A. Support from other Indian rulers, B. Lack of modern weapons, C. British surrender, D. Tiawan-Bialis had strong armies. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Lack of modern weapons. Question 46. The Santhal rebellion mainly targeted. Options are A. Zamindars and moneylenders, B. British officers, C. French traders, D. Mughal rulers. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Zamindars and moneylenders. Question 47. Which of the following was a common punishment for rebellious Tiawan Biles? Options are A. Land grants, B. Imprisonment or execution, C. British employment, D. Wealth distribution. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Imprisonment or execution. Question 48. What did Birsa Munda urge his followers to do? Options are A. Adopt European culture, B. Reject Dickus and their influence, C. Join the British Army, D. Move to cities. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Reject Dickus and their influence. Question 49. How did the British view tribal customs? Options are A. As an obstacle to development, B. As superior to British culture, C. As helpful for trade, D. As something to protect. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. As an obstacle to development. Question 50. What was the long-term impact of British rule on Tiawan Biles? Options are A. Increased land ownership, B. Loss of identity, land, and self-sufficiency, C. Tribal prosperity, D. Fair wages and rights. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Loss of identity, land, and self-sufficiency.